Aloha, luxury seekers, and wanderlust enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the crystal-clear waters of French Polynesia to explore a true gem of paradise, the Four Seasons Resort Bora Bora. Nestled on its own private motu or small island, this resort is the epitome of tropical luxury. Blending Polynesian charm with the impeccable service Four Seasons is known for worldwide. So grab your virtual Mai Tai, and let's embark on a journey to one of the most coveted destinations on Earth. Let's start with the accommodations that'll make you feel like Polynesian royalty. The Four Seasons Bora Bora doesn't just offer rooms. It presents a collection of overwater bungalows and beachfront villas that redefine luxury living. Picture yourself in a one-bedroom beach view overwater suite, spanning over 1,000 square feet of pure indulgence. These floating havens feature glass floor panels that offer a mesmerizing view of the vibrant marine life below. It's like having your own personal aquarium. Step out onto your private furnished deck, where the gentle lapping of turquoise waters provides a soothing soundtrack to your stay. Inside, the decor seamlessly blends contemporary elegance with traditional Polynesian touches, creating a space that's both sophisticated and warmly inviting. But wait, there's more. For those traveling with an entourage or simply craving ultimate privacy, the 3-bedroom premier beachfront villa estate is your ticket to paradise. Sprawling across an entire acre, this palatial retreat boasts its own private pool, outdoor kitchen, and enclosed gardens. It's so spacious, you might need a map to navigate your way around. These villas offer unparalleled sunset views, perfect for those Instagram-worthy moments that'll make your followers green with envy. And let's not forget the 2-bedroom premier beachfront villa estate, a slightly cozier but equally luxurious option for smaller groups or families. No matter which accommodation you choose, you'll be treated to plunge pools in select units, outdoor showers that bring you closer to nature, and premium bath products that'll make you feel like you've died and gone to spa heaven. Now let's talk about satisfying those taste buds, because what's a tropical getaway without some mouth-watering cuisine? While the resort keeps some of its dining details under wraps, perhaps to maintain an air of mystery, we do know that culinary excellence is a cornerstone of the Four Seasons experience. The Vaimatai Bar is the place to be for sunset cocktails, offering breathtaking views of Mount Otemanu as you sip on expertly crafted concoctions. It's the perfect spot to toast to another day in paradise or to kickstart a romantic evening. For those lazy pool days, the Fair Hoa Beach Bar has got you covered with tropical cocktails that'll keep you cool and refreshed. Imagine lounging by the infinity pool, frozen daiquiri in hand, as you gaze out over the lagoon, pure bliss. But here's where it gets really exciting. The resort offers in-villa dining experiences with private chefs. That's right, you can have a world-class culinary maestro whip up a gourmet feast right in your bungalow or villa. It's like having your own personal restaurant with $1 million view. While we don't have the full rundown of every eatery on the property, it's safe to say that whether you're craving fresh seafood, traditional Polynesian flavors, or international cuisine, the Four Seasons Bora Bora has got your culinary cravings covered. Let's dive into the aquatic offerings because, let's face it, you're here for the water. The resort boasts a main infinity pool that seems to melt right into the lagoon. It's so picturesque, you'll think you're swimming in a postcard. But that's just the beginning. Many of the villas come with their own private pools, perfect for those moments when you want to take a dip without bumping into other guests. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the beach. We're talking about a stretch of pristine white sand that spans the villa estate's area, covering about 0.4 hectares of prime beachfront real estate. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to wiggle your toes in the sand and never put shoes on again. Water activities? Oh, they've got plenty. The resort offers complimentary stand-up paddleboards, perfect for exploring the calm waters of the lagoon at your own pace. For the more adventurous souls, there's diving available through the resort's partnership with Divisi. Imagine descending into an underwater world teeming with colorful fish, graceful rays, and maybe even a friendly shark or two. Don't worry, they're more interested in their fish lunch than in you. And here's a cool tidbit. The resort has its own lagoon sanctuary, where you can participate in coral planting activities led by a marine biologist. It's not just a vacation. It's a chance to contribute to the preservation of this incredible ecosystem. Now let's talk about pampering, because no luxury resort experience is complete without some serious R&R. The spa at Four Seasons Bora Bora isn't just good. It's been crowned the #1 spa in French Polynesia by Condé Nast Traveler. That's like winning the Oscar of the spa world. Picture treatment rooms perched over the water, where the gentle sounds of the lagoon complement your massage. For couples, there are special suites designed for side-by-side treatments, because nothing says romance like synchronized spa time. The treatments here are inspired by Polynesian traditions, using local ingredients and techniques that have been perfected over generations. Imagine a massage using warm seashells or a body wrap with fragrant tropical flowers. It's not just a spa day. It's a journey through the healing traditions of the South Pacific. And let's not forget the views. Many of the treatment rooms offer panoramic vistas of the lagoon and Mount Otemanu. It's the kind of place where you might go in for a quick massage and end up spending the entire day, emerging as relaxed as a jellyfish and twice as glowy. For those traveling with little ones, fear not. The Four Seasons Bora Bora has thought of everything to keep the kiddos entertained. While we don't have specific details about a kids club, it's worth noting that the resort is known for being family-friendly. Those spacious villa estates are perfect for families, offering plenty of room for everyone to spread out. The calm waters of the lagoon provide a safe space for supervised swimming and snorkeling, introducing young ones to the wonders of marine life. And let's not forget the cultural aspect. The resort often offers activities that allow children and adults to learn about Polynesian culture, from lei-making to ukulele lessons. It's not just a vacation. It's an educational experience disguised as fun in the sun. When it comes to nearby attractions, Bora Bora itself is the star of the show. The iconic Mount Otemanu, visible from the resort, is a constant reminder of the island's volcanic origins and a popular spot for guided hikes or scenic helicopter tours. For snorkeling enthusiasts, the coral gardens are a must-visit, offering an underwater paradise just a short boat ride away. And no trip to Bora Bora would be complete without a visit to Bloody Mary's, the iconic local restaurant known for its fresh seafood and celebrity sightings. The resort can arrange excursions to these and other local attractions, ensuring you get the full Bora Bora experience. So, what's the overall verdict on the Four Seasons Resort Bora Bora? In a word, spectacular. This resort sets the gold standard for luxury in French Polynesia, combining natural beauty with world-class amenities and service. The Overwater bungalows and beachfront villas are not just accommodations. They're experiences in themselves, offering privacy, comfort, and views that'll make you pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. The dining options, while not fully detailed, promise a culinary journey that matches the visual feast of the surroundings. The infinity pool and pristine beach offer perfect spots for relaxation, while the array of water activities ensures there's always something exciting to do. The spa takes pampering to new heights, or should we say depths, offering treatments that rejuvenate both body and soul. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.